We were cruising past the oil rigs, enjoying the breeze and the sunshine. Colleen's listening to her favorite country music artist, and life is good. But there was a close encounter lurking below the surface that could have caused serious damage. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've been on our boat, 2 months to be exact. After a nearly complete mass overhaul, we were eager to get back out there and see how everything performed. Like any other day, a good cup of coffee comes first. As I rated the boat, I took one final look at the mast and rigging before we took off. Stay tuned to the end to see what I overlooked. This is our first sail of 2025. You'll hear the engine running, and that's because it hasn't run in a couple months, and it really didn't want to stay running, so I'm hesitant to turn it off right now. I really want to just let it run, but it's in neutral. But we are sailing. It's in the water and it's running, but it's just, I want to make sure that it burns off anything bad. It took a few minutes to get back in the swing of things, and the first couple of tacks were less than smooth, but it didn't take long for us to find our rhythm. After letting the outboard run for about 20 minutes, we were ready to enjoy the sounds of the wind and waves crashing against the hull. To make a great day even better, we were greeted by a couple of dolphins. They surfaced within inches of the boat and swam alongside of us for a few minutes. Seeing dolphins is always a thrill and a reminder of why we love being out here on the water. We usually stick to familiar areas since we don't have any fancy electronics on our boat, but today we decided to explore a bit further and ventured closer to the oil platforms. Even though the water and birds around the platforms look serene, appearances can be deceiving. Once we were in the field of platforms, we noticed some unusual wave activity of the water in a few spots. We peered over the side and noticed large vertical pipes just below the surface. We weren't comfortable navigating around them without a better view, so we decided to head back to more familiar waters. It's hard to see, but on the way back, we stumbled upon an organized remote control sailboat race. We wish we could have seen it closer, but we didn't want to interfere with their course. I was having hell furling and unfurling the head sail. I think I found the problem. I don't know how I didn't catch that out there, but it just seemed really tough. And when I'd come to the bow, I could roll it by hand, but I couldn't get it to furl or unfurl by the line. So that would be why, because it's outside of the cage. So glad I didn't pull hard enough that it broke, but at least I know what the problem is now. The mass overhaul was a huge success, and it's great to be back out sailing again. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button.